In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Epic Games Launcher on your MacBook. So what you need to do is go to the Google and search for Epic Games app or Epic Games Launcher, and you need to click on the first website which you see. This is the official website, store.epicgames.com. Okay, so I'm going to open up this website. Now you can see a download option right here. Download. Okay, so if it is Windows, then also it is going to download, and if it is MacBook, then also it is going to download. Okay, so click on the download option. Then inside the downloads you will see the epic installer .dmg. Okay, .dmg is for the MacBook. The size is 58.3 MB. So once you click here, so okay, it will show something like this. You need to drag this icon to the applications folder. Okay, once you do this, the Epic Games launcher will be installed on your drive. Okay, now what you need to do is, in order to open it, simply press command and spacebar from the keyboard and search for Epic. Okay, so it will just show up Epic Games Launcher. Okay, now you need to click it. You don't need to click on the install option. Okay, click on the applications one, Epic Games Launcher. Now as you can see, there is an update going on, 274.3 MB, so it is downloading the update. Okay, once it downloads it, then it will open the app and you can download your favorite games. Okay, once you log in. So this is how you're going to do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.